know that the moon goes through several phases every month, from full moon to new moon and back? Yeah, well, that's a very well-known common fact, but I bet you don't know these 10 actually extraordinary facts about space that appear in our upcoming Eurogame SETI. The game draws inspiration from current and emerging technologies in space exploration, as the designer Tomáš is a space nerd and astronomy enthusiast and knows a lot of these facts. You'll see most of them in cards in the game, but until then, I collected my top 10, and here it is. Let's start with a simple question. How many stars are there? Imagine every single grain of sand on every beach on Earth. Now multiply that by, well, a lot. There are more stars in the universe than all these grains of sand combined. That's right. Next time you're at the beach, take a handful of sand and let it slip through your fingers. Each grain represents a star out there in the cosmos, shining bright and possibly hosting its own planets and mysteries. Fact 2. Who is the ultimate cosmic traveler? Meet Oumuamua, or whatever that's supposed to be pronounced, the first interstellar object in our solar system. This mysterious visitor is the first macroscopic object from another star system that we've ever spotted zooming through our solar system. Imagine a space rock that has been journeying through interstellar space for millions of years before it decided to pay us a visit. Oumuamua zipped through our solar neighborhood at a whopping 196,000 miles per hour, leaving scientists scratching their heads and excitedly pondering its origins. It's like having an intergalactic postcard drop by from an unknown sender far, far away. Fact 3. What's the weather like in Uranus? Uranus is the wacky planet of our solar system with seasons that put our earthly weather to shame. Thanks to its wild axial tilt of almost 98 degrees, it has a topsy-turvy way of spinning. This means that each of its poles enjoys about 42 years of non-stop sunlight, followed by 42 years of pitch-black darkness. Imagine having a summer break that lasts for decades and then a winter hibernation of equal length. And during its equinoxes, the whole planet gets a taste of Earth-like day-night cycles, making it a truly unpredictable place to be. And speaking of severe weather, fact number 4, what's the biggest storm in our solar system? Welcome to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, the biggest and baddest storm in our solar system. This gigantic, swirling hurricane has been raging for at least 400 years. Imagine a storm twice the size of Earth, with winds that make our strongest hurricanes look like gentle breezes. It's like Mother Nature decided to throw a centuries-long tantrum on Jupiter. So next time you think Earth's weather is wild, just remember the Great Red Spot has us beat by a cosmic mile. Fact number 5. How dense are neutron stars? Neutron stars are the ultra-heavyweights of the cosmos. Imagine a star collapsing in on itself until it's packed so tightly that a piece the size of a die would weigh a mind-blowing 1 billion tons. And that's heavier than the entire human population combined. It's like holding a tiny speck of the universe's most densest material in your hand and suddenly feeling like you're lifting an entire planet. Fact number 6. Do you know what the highest mountain in the solar system is? Prepare to be amazed by Olympus Mons on Mars. This colossal volcano is the king of all mountains in our solar system. Standing at a jaw-dropping 26 kilometers high, it's nearly 3 times taller than our very own Mount Everest. Imagine stacking 3 Everests on top of each other. Yeah, that's Olympus Mons. With a base as wide as the entire country of France, this gigantic shield volcano is so gentle in its slope that if you stood at the top, you wouldn't even realize you were on a mountain. It's like being on a planet within a planet. Fact number 7. How long is the tail of a comet and how much does it weigh? A comet's tail can stretch up to a whopping 100 million kilometers. It's like traveling from Earth to the Moon 333 times. But here's the kicker: despite its enormous length, the tail only weighs about 100 kilograms. It's like the cosmic version of cotton candy, huge and fluffy, but incredibly light. The tail is so sparse that it contains just a few hundred particles per cubic centimeter, where Earth's atmosphere is packed with an astonishing 10 quintillion particles per cubic centimeter. Space sure knows how to do light and airy. Fact number 8. Does the Sun lose any mass? The Sun is like a cosmic barbecue, constantly converting hydrogen to helium through nuclear fusion. In doing so, it sheds about 4 million tons of mass every single second. Imagine throwing off a cliff billions of kilograms of stuff every second. But don't worry, our Sun is so enormous that it can keep up this fiery weight loss program for another 7 billion years. So relax and enjoy the sunlight. It's here to stay for a long, long time. Fact number 9. How big is Saturn's moon collection? Saturn is like the ultimate moon collector with at least 146 known moons orbiting around it, and who knows, maybe there is more hiding out there waiting to be discovered. The superstar of this moon squad is Titan, the second largest moon in the solar system. Titan is so big it could almost be its own planet, and it's wrapped in a thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, making it one of the most intriguing places for future space exploration. Imagine a moon with rivers, lakes, and possibly even rain, but made of methane and ethane. Saturn's moon collection is truly out of this world. Fact number 10. Can you assist in the search for extraterrestrial signals from home? Absolutely. Welcome to SETI at Home, the coolest project in the galaxy. Imagine turning your computer into an alien signal detector. All you have to do is download the SETI at Home software, and voila! You're part of a massive global team of millions of volunteers, each lending their computer's idle time to help sift through space data in search of extraterrestrial messages. It's like being a space detective right from your living room. Join the adventure and maybe, just maybe, be the first to discover that we're not alone in the universe. These facts and lots more are going to be in our upcoming board game SETI, launching at Spiel this year. You can learn more about the game on its BGG page, and in the meantime, you can check out this video.